guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making long french fries. People have been trying this to make these french fries all over the internet, so I decided why not I tried too. So for this we'll be needing 5 medium potatoes, so that's around half kg. I have already boiled these and mashed them. An easy way to boil these potatoes is to cut them in 4 pieces and boil them with salt in them. So we will be needing apart from the potatoes, we'll need 1 cup of breadcrumbs, 2 tablespoons of, I'm just gonna add that in, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of flour, and 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. So now I'm just gonna use this masher and mix that in. To the spatula. If you have strong arms and don't have a machine and your potatoes are still hot, you can do this by hand as well. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this in the mixer. So I'm going to put this in the mixer and make sure there's a batter and a dough-like consistency. So this has been mixing for around 3 minutes and has come together. I'm just gonna scoop this, and you can see this is becoming like this stretchy has this dough-like consistency. So I'm gonna take this out, and I have this piping bag here with a star tip. I'm gonna take some of my dough and I'm going to put it in here. You don't have to use the machine like I said before. It's just to make the process faster. You can always do this by hand. So my piping bag, and I've preheated some oil in a pan. So I'm gonna start making our long fries. Woo. There. So I'm gonna from our batch of dough, we've made some using the piping method. I will also be showing you some using a method that if you do not have a piping bag. So I have my brother here to taste the ones that we just fried.
I think this is the longest, so I'll try this one.
It tastes just like french fries.
But longer.
Yeah. You can eat these. Bye. So, while he's eating this, we're going to be making our second batch by using another method. So, I have a rolling pin here, and I've dusted with some of our flour. I'm making the ones without using a piping bag. So I have a rolling pin here, and it's dusted with some flour. So I'm just going to take another foil with flour, and I'm going to be putting it on this. I'm gonna flip this over. So I'm gonna roll this till the dough is like half an inch thick, and I'm just using the lightest pressure mode right now, because we don't want it to be too flat. So I have this around half an inch thick now, and I'm just going to cut off the sides to have a square shape. And I'm going to cut these in strips. These are all cut up. I'm just gonna pick one up, and I'm gonna put it for frying. So I'm gonna do this with the rest of the fries, and I'll fry these now. So I have fried all of these fries, and they are really long. Like, look at this one, but at the same time they're really hot. So let's try this. Ooh, hot, 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 hot. You wanna try, Bilal?
Don't forget me.
They're amazing. They taste like French fries.
But they're just bigger.
They're very it's like eating air, and they're really good.
It's not like eating air because they have like potato in them and they're full and they're rich.
Yeah.
Potatoes.
But they're really good.
Yeah, bro.
I could eat these all day.
These are so kind of heavy.
Yeah.
Like right now I can't hold them with one hand.
Because it's hot. Alright, so these are long French fries, all of these, and
Oh my god, they taste better when they're like more thick.
if you guys like this recipe, please try, and if you do, say it in the comment down below, and please
So
like,
good.
subscribe, and share my videos. Bye.
Bye.